Hello you guys and welcome back. This is video number 3, I believe, in this Norwex cleaning series. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about today's video. If you can tell, I'm wearing a little bit more makeup than I normally wear. We are going to be talking about the Norwex body cloth. So this is what the body cloth looks like. It's kind of like the size of a washcloth. And these bad boys are supposed to take off makeup with just water. So you just wet this thing and it's supposed to remove all your makeup. No soap, no cleansing, nothing. So I will say I have been using this to remove my makeup for the last week or so. I've never worn this much makeup. I've never done the eyeliner, but it has been taking off my mascara perfectly. So I just literally went in the bathroom just now and caked on all the makeup I could. If you guys watch my videos, then you know that I fill in my brows. So I am going to take my brows off and everything. Don't judge me. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, like, I'm pretty amazed at how well this works. So a few other things that the body cloths do. So apparently it's supposed to help if you have acne. If you wash with just the cloth and water, it's supposed to help clear up acne. It's a great exfoliator. You're supposed to use it for shaving. Like, you could just wet it, wipe your legs down, and then shave, and you're never supposed to get razor burns. I have been using it to shave and my legs feel really smooth, so I would say it's working. Yeah, they won't smell. Like, I don't know if sometimes you have a washcloth in the shower and it kind of gets that like musty, icky smell. These won't do that. That was another thing they said, it's safe for sensitive skin. So if you're sensitive and have allergies to soaps, then this is definitely what you need. So all right, I'm gonna go wet it and then we're gonna remove my makeup. Ah! I'm scared. This hair back a little bit. I am so nervous. All right, so here is my damp and bio cloth, and here we go. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it coming off. All right, so that just removed all of my face makeup. Oh yeah, let's do the brows. Bye brows. All right, now I'm gonna fold it and we're gonna try the eyes. Wow, actually is doing pretty darn good, you guys. So I'm actually going to go and wet this again and then get the rest off. We'll be right back. So let's just go back in. I mean, I am pretty darn impressed, you guys. I mean, the eyeliner probably isn't all off, but for the most part, I mean, I kind of like when your eyeliner is just a little bit there, so then it like looks like you have a little bit of makeup on. Wow, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. So I don't know about you guys, but I use either baby wipes or makeup wipes to remove my makeup, and this just used water, and you can reuse this. So when you hang it up, you're gonna hang it up, and then when it dries in 24 hours or whatever, it's gonna be like clean and ready to use again. You just have to wet it. So yeah, I will say it definitely took everything off except for maybe a little bit of the eyeliner on top. But I mean, it even removed my mascara. I like these things. And yeah, and the cool thing is like it's exfoliating your skin while you're doing this. Yeah, I would say everything else came off really easy. Maybe if you just use like a little bit of coconut oil or something to get the eyeliner off, but I don't wear eyeliner every day. So this is absolutely perfect for me when I just have on a little bit of mascara. And I mean, it took off all my face makeup. I'm impressed. All right, you guys, that is my final thoughts with this. I think it works. I've been using it for a week and I have not washed it yet, and it doesn't smell at all. So I would say these things work, and I'm not sure the cost. You get 3 of them. I think they're 3 for $20. I will link all the information down below if you guys want to check it out. But all right, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the other videos in this series. Like I said, I'm going through and I'm cleaning with them. I'm showing you guys how all the products work. I'm not a consultant. I just found these products and wanted to give them a shot and share them with you guys. So all right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.